Alright, y'all, this is a quick video. We snowed in like day 2. February. That's Pinky. What are you doing, Pinky? What are you doing? This is Yamin's room. She never fails to have a disgusting room. Here, check this out. Yeah. And I would ask him, go ahead, clean your room up, yeah. You know. And I don't even know what's going on with that right there. But this room. So let's go check out what's going on. This Kale. Whatever. Here's Yaya. Hey, Yaya. You gonna clean your room up today? Huh? You gonna clean your room up today? Here's your dog. Lyric. Always jumping around. Music. You can't see him because he's so black. And this is outside. Yeah. Outside. Backyard. Snowing as usual. Probably go out there a little later and mess around. She washing dishes? Yeah. Who's gonna cook? Oh no. Where did I come clean? In my room. Right. Be a good time to shovel the yard because it's not that high yet. I get my trash can. Snowed in.